I'm Michael Jordan, General Sales Manager, Radley Cadillac. I would like to personally invite you to Radley to see everything that we have to offer and deliver you a memorable experience.
Come test drive the 2018 Lincoln MKZ. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, child safety locks, multifunction display, one-touch windows, 4, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.